Nature tourism has become a popular option for locals during the Lebaran holiday. Hundreds have flocked to two spots in particular in Central and West Java.
Curug Cijalu, a waterfall in Subang, West Java, was inundated by travellers. The area boasts captivating scenery of surrounding mountains and a fresh, cool breeze. The waterfall is located in the forest of Burangrang Mountain, 5 kilometres from the main entrance. However, not many people know about the beauty of Curug Cijalu.
Ya, untuk tempatnya aja indah, sejuk, dan menyegarkan badan ke keluarga saya.
Sering datang ke sini?
Ya, sering banget. Karena untuk kebiasaan sih, tiap bulan kadang-kadang suka ke sini.
Nah, sering datang ke sini, Dek? Baru. Liburan sama siapa, Dek?
Sama keluarga.
Kenapa memilih datang ke sini, Dek? Tempatnya
Udaranya dingin.
dingin ya.
Local tourists have also visited the Gucci hot spring in Tegal, Central Java. The tourists crammed the hot spring and nearby rivers. Visitors believe the water that contains sulphur has healing powers.
Mandi air hangat, buat kesehatan katanya.
Oh, itu khasiatnya apa itu, Pak?
Buat katanya hilangin rematik sama nafas, terapi.
The Gucci hot spring manager Abdul Haris says tourists began arriving a day after Lebaran. This year management has seen visitor numbers increase 10% to 19,000 people.